Log out all devices on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can log out all devices on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are many ways on how you can do this. First of all, you can open up Instagram, come to the profile page, tap the three lines icon and then just go to settings. Then you can go to the option called security. Then you can go to save login information, or you can go to login activity here. Then you will be able to see all the devices logged into the Instagram account. Tap the three dots icon next to the device and then tap on logout. But this is just one after another. You can see we don't have logout of everything. The other thing is that you can just change your password by coming to password tab. When you change your password, every device logged into your Instagram is going to be automatically logged out. Now there is also another way. So if your Facebook is linked with the Instagram, it only works if your Facebook is linked with Instagram. Open up Facebook, tap the three lines icon here, which is the menu icon, then tap the gear icon to come to the settings page here. Once you come here, go to see more in account center button. Then under it, you have to look for the option called password and security and then tap on it. Then under it again, you can see where you are logged in, tap on it. Here you have to select Instagram because you can see the Instagram logo. This is your Instagram account. You'll only see this here if your Instagram is linked with Facebook, so just tap on it. Now here you can basically select all devices by tapping the select all button, tapping on the logout option here, and then you'll be successfully logged out of all these devices. That's it on how you can log out all devices in Instagram. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.